now entering Fastoon. Touching down in 5, 4. Oops, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to episode 4 of Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction. Alright, let's get in here. No new guns. Let's go in here and see if we can get some upgrades for... I don't know. Let's see. Let's do fusion grenade. More bolts, sure. More damage, yes please. More damage, yes please. Concussion detonators, that sounds nice. More ammo, bigger area. Alright, that's all we can afford right now. Alright, let's jump over here.
It looks like something terrible happened here.
It does look pretty bad, Clank. Let's see. Let's jump over here.
What the... Where is everyone?
I tried to tell you, Ratchet. The database said this planet was deserted ages ago.
Clank, you see that? It's an old ship.
Very old, it would seem.
We have to fix her.
Ratchet, we must be practical. Tachyon will find the pod's flight codes. He will be here any minute.
Clank, please. I need to fix her.
Oh, very well.
A virtual diagnostic of the spacecraft confirms 6 missing
Looks like we're
components
finding
necessary for intergalactic travel.
6
Happy
different
hunting.
parts. Alright, let's go over here. Let's get these boxes. Oh, those are interesting looking guys. I can't break that box. Will it blow up? Yes, it will. Thank you. Alright. Let's keep trying to level this gun up. Looks like it only took 1 hit. Looks like these guys are melee only. Alright, let's go in here. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Take that. Hiya! Hiya! Oh, oh, oh. Watch out for that. Yes, give me more raritanium. Uh-oh, I'm out of ammo. Let's use that grenade we just... Use that grenade we just upgraded. Where do I go?
Looks like we're going for a dip.
Oh, we're getting wet. Okay. Let's go ahead and jump down here. I'll take this guy first. There we go. Now let's jump down here. Alright. Avoid these. Oh, that's a fail. Let's go up here. Some more guys. There's probably stuff over there. Can I? No, I don't think I can get up there. So let's go over here. We got these 2 guys. Easy enough. 1 grenade. Alright. Some over here. Anything under there? It's like, ooh, there's our first part. And we did it. We got a flight component. Can I get up there? No, let's just keep going over here. Alright. Jump, jump. Ooh, raritanium. Let's get that. I guess we swim all the way back now. Let's go over here. Is there anything down here? I don't believe there is. I think I would move a little faster if I stay underwater. I'm not seeing any way to get over there. So I think we got everything. Let's get out of here and go get the next part. Alright, we'll swim back under here. There's some more health. Oh, went the wrong way. Let's go up. Jump out here. Alright, we did it. We got the first one. There's 5 more to go. Oh, I think there's one at the top of this. Alright, take those guys out. There's titanium up here. Yep, there is a part up here. Okay. How do you do this? Yeah, there we go. Got it. Ta-da! Oh, we need to get more bolts. There's a bunch over there. Let's go get them. There we go. I always forget how to do that. Like literally every time. Yes. Give me all of your money. Anything back here? I don't think there is. They are trying to kill me down there though. Alright. Take them out. Ooh, the thing is... What is that? Oh, it's spawning them. That's not good. Can I kill that thing? Maybe I can't. Maybe I should just run away from it. I'm out of ammo. Yeah, let's just run away from over there. Level these up again. Yes, do more damage. That's what I'm talking about. Level 3. We are well on our way. Let's go over here. Alright, let's jump across here. Alright, let's take those guys out. Get all these boxes. Alright. Let's keep throwing them out. There's a whole bunch of guys I need to take out over here. They just keep coming, don't they? Oh, out of ammo again. Let's use... we'll use grenades again. We got tons of rare titanium. We're gonna get all the upgrades. Oh, out of ammo again. I'm just gonna go up here and get yeah, we'll switch to that. Let's go get the part. And then we'll come back and fight everybody. Ta-da! Alright. Let's see if they like my electric stick of justice. I think they do. Seems like it's their best friend. And it looks like we can destroy those plant things. Yeah, we can destroy them. Okay. This will be way easier. Give me some more health back. Let's go get on this jump pad. Oh, but let's get these boxes first. There we go. Need all the bolts I can get. Alright. Let's take them out. Okay, I think we finally took out that plant. This guy's just running into a pole. I think he's a little confused. Alright, let's switch back. I'd like to level this thing all the way up. This plant will never die. There we go. Hey, we leveled up. Got all our health back. Very nice. Alright, get these boxes. Now let's go. There's one up there. Looks like. These bolts, and then we'll go get that one up there.
Congratulations! You have received an interstellar holovite from
Walter Korkowski.
Walter Korkowski. Let's do more grenades. Yes. Very nice. Give me all of those. Break these? I can. Get a few bolts for that. Alright, let's knock those guys down. Ta-da! Alright, I believe that's 4. So we got 2 more. Looks like we gotta go up and around back there. Yes. Alright. Let's go up here. Sorry about that. Had a little technical issue. And we're back. So let's continue going up here and get this, the 5th component. Oh, that wasn't enough. Alright, let's go over here. Bounce it up there. Can you get them? Yes, you can. Very nice. And here we go. 5th component. The ship's nearly ours. Now, where's the 6th one? I'm not sure where we go exactly. Oh, there's bolts over here. Let's go over there. Just bust these boxes down. Nope, that wasn't all of them. Let's go. Is it back there? Can I get back there? Not sure exactly. What about over here? Let's take this plant out. I only need one more hit. Let's go up here where I can see better. Can I jump to over there from up here? Is that what I'm supposed to do? That seems really far away. Yeah, that's not happening. Yeah, that's definitely not happening. There's a hole right here. I bet Clank goes in there.
The entrance to this raritanium
There we
mine
go.
is too small for the boat.
Do not be afraid. We are here to help you destroy it.
Destroy what?
We have a lot to show you.
Alright. Now what do I do? Looks like there's a door. Is it open? No. Okay. How do I get the door open? Come on, guys. Do something. I'm supposed to hit you. I'm supposed to push you around. Come on. Put you on the little pad thingy. Nope. Oh, what is that? Is this like slow time, I guess? Oh, and he's gone. Where'd he go? Not sure what just happened there, but it seems like the little guy is gone. Did they do anything to this door? No. Well. Kinda drawing a blank here on what I'm supposed to do. Let's see. Oh, I have a helicopter. That's nice. Ah, there we go. Zoni. Oh. Okay. Can we stand on the pad till it's full and make a break for it? I can slow time.
This door poses no threat to you, sire.
Ah, there we go. That's nice. Helps me to make it further. Raritanium mine. Oh, is that raritanium? Select levitate from the zoni. Okay. Very nice. Get that other pad. Yeah, that is raritanium. Here we go. Go through here. I bet I can slow time so that I don't get hit. There we go. Oh, they just take them out, don't they? I don't have to do anything. That's sweet. Oh. Okay, we made it. Ooh. Let's get all these boxes. Alright. Go through here. Oh, that's a big gap. Levitate? Can you get me across? Yes, you can. Alright, now I gotta time this one. Alright, so that one just hit. So levitate. Yeah. Come on, guys, take him out. Show him who's boss. Hiya! I'll help you out. Here we go. Alright, and just go through here. Avoid the spikes. Avoid the spikes, and there we go. Manipulate from the quick select. Okay. Oh, fix. They just rebuild it for you. That's super handy. Alright. Get the raritanium and go up the elevator. This is my brother Daryl. This is my other brother Daryl. Alright. Oh look, there's more of them over there. Let's go get them. Oh. Zoni. Yes. Can you fix the elevator for me? Let's see, manipulate. Fix. Ooh, ah. Very nice. Go up here. Manipulate. Oh, they're taking it apart for me. Very nice. Okay, let's get these boxes. Alright, we gotta avoid spikes here. Let's let them go past and then slow down and go across. Alright, let's wait on the spikes. Okay, this looks like we're going to do a jump here. There's spikes on the other side. I hope I don't land on them. Here we go. Let's try this out. Here we go. We died. Well, that's a fail. Okay, so if you're keeping count at home, that's 2 deaths. And we're only on the 4th level. Alright, let's try this again. Let's wait a little longer this time. Okay. Well, that may be... Yeah, there we go. Alright. Come on, Zoni, start shooting him. Yeah. You can't handle the truth. Let's see. Some raritanium over here. Looks like I need to manipulate. Fix. Oh, they uncovered the little pad thing for me. Can I get up there? No? I bet I can't over here. Yeah, let's go up there. Anything up here? There's not. That was a waste. Okay. Let's just go push these buttons. There's number 2. And number 3. Yay! Let's go through the door. Alright.
According to our database, you now have all the parts necessary to restore your ship to working order. Thanks for using Gadgetron's virtual diagnostic service. Your account will be billed within 3 working days.
Looks like we got all the parts, but I wonder who they are coming to do something bad to us. I'm not sure exactly. Alright, let's go over here. Last bit of raritanium. And elevator. Oh yeah, very nice. Okay, so right there, when it auto-saved, the game actually... Hey, we leveled up. The game actually locked up on me, so I had to come back to the level. But luckily I didn't lose anything, because it did actually auto-save. It just froze. So, for you guys, nothing ever happened. For me, there was like a 15-minute time delay. But anyways, let's get back into this. We got all the parts now, so I guess we go to the ship over here. Let's go see what happens.
Okay, I think we have all the parts we need. Let's get to work. This. Yes? Yes! It's working!
Miserable little droppings. I can't believe they used ticker ammo. What a bunch of cheese. Oh, a Lombax. I thought I'd never see one again. Thanks for repairing me.
Alright, let's ask it some questions. What happened here?
His army of Droffids. It was a cruel act of retaliation. If only he had known how evil the Kragmites were. Who, if they had won the Great War, the entire universe would have fallen under their terrible rule.
Why would he attack?
Really. Probably to steal their technology. All his ships, his enforcers, even the nanotech combat armor he gave the Droffids, are all made using stolen Lombax technology.
They're Droffids.
Unpleasant, dreadful, dreadful, dreadful little creatures from planet Zurich. Tachyon bought their loyalty with raritanium and recruited them for his own personal army. I am
Where are the
sorry.
Lombaxes?
My memory bank seemed to have been damaged in the crash. The last thing I remember was laying down suppressive fire over the court of Azimuth.
Can you play this
Of course.
holovat I just found?
I am equipped with an HD47 optical holoscreen. Hop in.
Alright, let's get in.
Mad for mayhem, crave carnage, adore destruction? Well, today is your lucky day. You have been invited to participate, witness the greatest, bloodiest, goriest battle in the universe, the Imperial Fight Festival. Rated M for mature. Come on down to Planet Mukau and enjoy a night of entertainment without any ulterior motives or deception. Offer only valid for fuzzy, long-eared orphans and their tiny robotic companions.
That sounded like Captain Quark.
Which means it's probably a trap. But it's our only lead. Let's go see what he's gotten himself into.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tune in to the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.